This substance originally used as a blasting agent. It has been used as a dynamite. It has been used to blast the rocks. It has been used to blast the earth. Same blasting property of this substance Dr. Herring utilized in a dilute form and a potentized form, and you use this remedy for a various kind of blasting sensations in the head, the blasting from the eyes, blasting in the chest, full of violent palpitations, violent pulsations, which is visible externally. The palpitation is visible on the chest wall. The pulsation of the carotids are visible. The person who cannot tolerate the warmth, person cannot tolerate the heat, person who cannot tolerate the sunlight, person who always require an umbrella. So this is none other than the drug is glonine, trinitroglycerin. It is a glycerin, oxygen and nitrogen combination. That is the drug which we are going to study, that is glonine, or it's also called as gloninum. Glonine, it's also called as gloninum. There are various names for this drug: nitroglycerin, glyceryl trinitrate. So glonine, the word is self-explanatory. This is one of the Herring's greatest contribution. It is a combination of GL, where stands for glycerin, O stands for oxygen, and N stands for nitrogen. So this is a drug substance. A nitroglycerin is obtained by combination of glycerin, oxygen and nitrogen. The chemical formula is there: C3H5 NO3 and O3. This is a medicine dilutions prepared with alcohol. It's also called as spiritus glycerinous nitrate. This was originally discovered by Sobrero, and later on Dr. Herring, with the help of Morris Davis, he diluted and made a medicinal substance. Regarding the history of glonine, nitroglycerin was discovered by Sobrero in the year 1846, but none could be obtained for the physiological experiment until Morris Davis, a Philadelphia chemist. In the same year, after a long and laborious trial under the guidance of Dr. C. Herring, he succeeded to produce a substance in a sufficient quantity for proving which is less harmful. Otherwise, it is a highly blasting substance. Later on, once it has been obtained for proving, Dr. C. Herring extensively proved here and abroad. You can see details of that will be there in Allen's Encyclopedia, and also is there in Herring's Guiding Symptom. Regarding the nitroglycerin, is also known as glyceryl trinitrate. It has been used as a medication for the treatment of heart failures. It has been used as a medication in the treatment of high blood pressure, anal fissures, painful periods, and also used in the treatment of preventive chest pain, angina, etc. We'll try to understand some more properties of nitroglycerin or glonine. It is an highly explosive liquid which, when administered with some porous earth, forms the deadliest dynamite to shake the earth and blast the rocks. The drug nitroglycerin is a dilute form of the same chemical used for the explosive, which has been discovered by Morris Davis with the help of Dr. Herring. Dilutions makes it as a non-explosive, but even though dilutions are non-explosive, it lives up to its reputation even when potentized and used as a medicine, retaining its alarming characters, its suddenness, its bursting out sensation, pains rooting upward, surging out as if the skull is getting opened from the head, as if the brain is coming out. Like that sensations are seen while even proving. The doctrinum of signature of this potent explosive glonine may be said to be a bursting and expansions. Everywhere bursting and expansion we'll see throughout this drug while proving. For example, they have a bursting, throbbing type of headache, sensation as if expanding in the head and elsewhere. There will be a bursting and throbbing of carotids. There will be a violent action of the heart. There's a rush of blood to the head. There will be flushes of heat rising from the chest to the head. Then there will be throbbing pain. Characteristic neuralgias of glonine are also accompanied with same throbbing, and very often they are aggravated at night, preventing the person to sleep. There will be supraorbital neuralgia. There will be pulsating retinal congestion. There is a facial neuralgia. Everywhere, maybe of headache, maybe of neuralgias, maybe of eye pain. Everywhere you can see throughout this bursting and expansion. There is a total doctrinum of signature of glonine. Glonine means bursting, glonine means expansions, and glonine means throbbing. Glonine is very similar to other congestive remedies like belladonna, sanguinaria, ferrum phos, sulfur, lachesis, aconite. So it is mainly adapted to the nervous temperament individuals who are very plethoric, like sanguinaria, sulfur, ferrum phos, people who are florid, people who are especially a sensitive woman, person who is readily affected by the light, maybe of sunlight, maybe of artificial light, maybe of gas light. They cannot tolerate the heat of the light. Adapted to the people who get complained from mental excitement, maybe from fright, maybe from fear, like aconite. Adapted to the people, they get complaints from mechanical injuries like arnica, and their later consequences from having an haircut like belladonna. People who are very sensitive to light, sunlight, as we said, gelsemium, lachesis, lysine, natrum carb. And this is an acute remedy, but it is also used for the various chronic complaints also. Let us see what are the various clinical indications of glonine in our day-to-day practice. The first and foremost indication of glonine is in the management of headache. There are plenty of drugs for headache. Very often it is confusing. Some are acute remedies, some are constitutional remedies, or some are intercurrent remedies. Maybe we have many drugs for headaches, maybe of spigelia, sanguinaria, belladonna, bryonia, gelsemium, silesia, natrum pulsatilla, lachesis, natrum carb. Like that, the number will be keep on increasing. But when to give glonine? Glonine is indicated mainly for the headache, especially from the people who get complaint from working on gaslight. Nowadays gaslight we may not get. So you can think of the people who get headache from something heat. Very commonly when the person get exposed heat, maybe sunlight, or people are too much using mobile phone, that heat and getting headache. When the heat falls on the head, cannot bear heat about the head, maybe of heat of the stove, or maybe a lady who's cooking, so whenever she is in the kitchen she get headache. Whenever she comes out in the open place she doesn't get headache. Headache is here, the main reason for headache is the heat of the stove. Or walking in the sun, this lady has to carry an umbrella. Without umbrella she cannot go out because the slightest heat of the sunlight will leads to an headache. So we have got a lot of reason for glow-9 headache. So headache may be from the heat of the gaslight, headache may be from sunlight, headache may be from the heat of the stove, headache may be anything somewhere artificial light which produces a heat and leading to headache. That is a unique indication of glow-9. We have to compare lachesis, natrum carb, and also natromure. Second indication of glow-9 comes in relation to cerebral congestion or alternating congestion of the head and heart. It is mainly because of high blood pressure which leading to a cerebral congestion, or high cardiac output leading to severe congestion of the brain, a throbbing and pulsation everywhere leading to a cerebral congestion. That also an indication of glow-9. Third indication, just like a blasting effect of glow-9, glow-9 has been used as a blasting agent in the mines. Similarly, here the head feels is enormously large, as if the brain is enlarging. Person feels their skull is too small for the brain and brain is enlarging. That kind of sensation also glow-9 is indicated, where the person feels the skull is too small and brain is expanding, as if the head is going to burst out. Such kind of sensation also glow-9 is indicated. It is not only the bursting out sensation in the head, it also in the chest. Feels there is a chest is no space, heart is going to burst out. Fourth indication, it is indicated for the people who get complaints from the sunlight, like sunstrokes or sun headaches. Headache increases and decreases with the sunlight. We have many drugs: Kali group, Kali carb, natrum carb, natromure, lachesis, spigelia, belladonna, bryonia. Like that, lists are many, but we can differentiate based on the other symptoms. It's also indicated, glow-9, a kind of a shock-like sensation, terrific shock in the head, which synchronizes with the pulse. So, whatever the pulse is beating, similarly it is a shock-like sensation, a wave-like sensation is also seen in glow-9, especially on the head. We'll continue the other indication of glow-9. There is a throbbing and there is a pulsating sensation in the head. The throbbing is so severe, just like our carbo animalis, person has to hold the head with both the hands, like bryonia. He cannot lie down, there is so much blasting in the head. The pillow would beat. There's full of pulsation when the person lies down, full of bursting out sensation. Person has to hold the head with both the hand, like bryonia, like carbo animalis, like Helleborus. It's also indicated convulsions of children, mainly because of cerebral congestions, maybe because of meningitis, or maybe during dentitions, like Bell, Chamomilla, Sina, Helleborus, like other drugs. We need to differentiate based on the other concomitant symptoms. It's also indicated there is a flushes of heat or flashes of heat, especially at the time of climacteric or at the time of menopause, like our famous menopausal remedy, lachesis, amyl nitrosum, belladonna. It's also indicated flushes of light at the time of menses, like sanguinaria ferrum. Another keynote indication of glow-9 is especially children get sick in the evening when they are sitting before the open coal fire, or maybe in the winter time when the person is going to stay near the coal to keep them warmth. It will keep them warmth, at the same time it gives a headache, it gives a sick feeling. Or when the person sleeps near the heat in the extreme rainy season or extreme winter season to make them warmth, maybe in cool places, They get better by coldness, but at the same time, that warmth will aggravate and make them sick. Children who get sick in the evening when they sit before the open coal fire or fall asleep over there and they fall sick. These are the few of the keynote indication of glonine. Glonine is also indicated for violent palpitation of heart. It is not only just violent, the palpitation is visible as by shaking the chest. There is a sensation as a pulsation throughout the body. For the palpitation, we have got many drugs, but it is further qualified like peculiar symptoms. The violent palpitation, which is visible as well as it is shaking the chest, along with pulsation throughout the body. There is a throughout the body pulsating sensations. For the palpitation, we can think of aconite, we can think of spigelia, we can think of phosphorus, we can think of digitalis, we can think of cactus. But here the palpitation is qualified as a violent, visible and shaking with pulsation throughout the body. Another indication of glonine comes where person sees everything half light and half dark. He sees half as a light and half as a dark. It may be one of the symptoms of glaucoma, like Gelsemium veratrum viridae. Next indication, where the person cannot go uphill. Any exertion brings on rush of the blood, like calcarea carb, the person cannot climb upstairs. Any exertion will start rush of blood to the heart and leading to a fainting spells. Glonine is also indicated headache in place of menses. So instead of menses, monthly, they get monthly headache, like Simpsifuga, Crocus, Cyclamen, Natramure, Pulsatilla, Sanguinaria, Sepia. Also, there is a rush of blood to the head in pregnant women. For them also, glonine is indicated. Glonine is also one of the key indications is exophthalmic goiter with carotid pulsations. For the goiter, you have got many drugs, maybe of iodum, maybe of natramure, maybe of phytoleca, maybe of quinine. But here the goiter with carotid pulsations, more of a toxic type of goiter or thyrotoxicosis. For that kind of goiter where glonine is indicated. It's also used in the management of angina pectoris with a sharp pain with throbbing of carotid associated with hypertension. For the angina pectoris, we have got many drugs like latrodectus mactans. It is a life-saving remedy. We have got spigelia. These are the few indications of glonine. We'll see what are the reason for glonine person to fall sick. What are the ailment from? So most important causative factor for glonine person is heat. Various heat. Maybe of heat of stove, maybe of heat of sunlight, maybe heat of mobile, or maybe heat of artificial light. Ailment from mental excitement like gelsemium, aconite, argentum nitricum. Ailment from fright like opium. Ailment from fear like kali group, causticum, pulsatilla. Ailment from mechanical injuries like arnica, cicuta, asculus. Ailment from haircut like belladonna, bryonia, carboanimalis. Ailment from gaslight, ailment from heat in general, ailment from sun heat, ailment from suppressed menses, ailment from apoplexy like phosphorus, lachesis, ailment from cerebral hemorrhage, ailment from meningitis like belladonna, Helleborus, ailment from Menopause, ailment from dentitions, ailment from also fire. These are the various reasons for Glo9 person to fall sick. Regarding the aggravation, they are generally aggravation by sun, exposure to heat, gaslight, overheating, hot weather, jar like bell bryonia, aggravation stooping like bryonia, aggravation ascending upstairs, aggravation also by pressure of the hat, aggravation by haircut, motion, injuries, aggravation by wine, suppressed menses, and also by fruits. They are ameliorated in general by open air, elevating the head, amelioration by cool things, also amelioration by taking bath. We'll see about details of Glo9 headache. Glo9 is mostly indicated for congestive type of headache or menstrual type of headache or climacteric type of headache. So everywhere something to do with blood, something to do with vascular type of headache, like our belladonna, like our sanguinaria, like our sulfur. Headache mainly element from mental excitement like gelsemium, headache from fright, again aconite gelsemium, headache from fear, headache from mechanical injuries like arnica, like asculus, like natrum sulf. Headache is also after a haircut like our belladonna, like our bryonia, aconite, carba animalis. Headache from gaslight, it is more of heat. Headache from sunlight, headache from suppressed menses. Headache also may be due to meningitis and inflammatory origin. Headache may be exposure to fire. All these are the various causes for Glo9 headache. Regarding the location of the headaches, location mostly at the occiput or at the base of the brain, sometime at the forehead, at the vertex. Mostly headache starts from below upwards. We have got many drugs. Headache starts from the occiput and finally settle over the right eye, like sanguinaria, silesia. We have got at the same time headache starts from the occiput and settle on the left eye, like spigelia. We have got headache starts both the right side, left side and settle on the both the eyes, like gelsemium. But you have got opposite of that. Headache starts from the forehead and extending down to the occiput, like lac defloratum, like picric acid. But here it starts from the base of the brain and ascending upward. It is a rushing up from below upward. The onset is sudden, like belladonna, rising from the neck. There are various sensations. Sensation as if a fullness of the head. Sensation as if forehead would burst out. Sensation as if head is enormously enlarged. Sensation as if the skull were too small for the brain. Sensation as if brain is moving in waves. There's a wave-like sensation in the head. Sensation as if the skull were being lifted up and downward, up and downward. Sensation as if the brain is expanding and contracting. These are the various kind of sensations we see in Glo9 headache. In Glo9, the pulsations are tremendous. There will be a flushes of heat which comes in spells, like a waves, like flushes of heat comes and goes, comes and goes. There will be a sudden rush of blood to the head so that extremities remains cold like belladonna. In this state, with every jar in stepping and every motion, it seems as if the head would be crushed out like bryonia and belladonna. Slightest movement where the person feels that the head is going to crushed out, head is going to be blasted out, just like the property of Glo9, blasting out. Similarly, every movement leads to a crushed feeling. There will be a cerebral congestion alternate with heart congestion. There will be a throbbing of the head which synchronizes with the contraction of the heart. Person feels there is a heartbeat is increasing. At the same time, person can feel pulsation in the head. Sometimes the head pulsation alternate with the heart pulsation. Cannot bear anything on the head, especially a hat. Must use umbrella always. They cannot bear sunlight. They cannot bear any light, any heat. They need something dark. They need something covering of the head. Headache increases and decreases with the sunlight. Headache is mostly in the daytime and headache is better towards the evening. There will be terrific shock like in the head which synchronizes with the pulse. There will be a throbbing, pulsating type of headache. Person has to hold the head. There's so much blasting. Person has to hold the head like our Helleborus, like our Carbo animalis. Person cannot lie down because the pillows will be pulsating. The pillows will be pushing up and down of the head. This kind of pulsating sensation, highly intensified, we see in Glonine. Glonine modalities. Headache is aggravation by shaking or jar, like Belladonna bryonia. Aggravation by stooping. Aggravation from bending the head backwards. Aggravation after lying down. Aggravation ascending the steps. Aggravation by damp weather. Even the damp weather also aggravation for Glonine. Aggravation by sun. Aggravation while working under the gaslight. Aggravation after overheating with copious sweat. Aggravation by touch of the hat. Aggravation by wine, stimulants. Aggravation also by mental application. There are many drugs to compare because many of the plethoric remedies which have got headaches like Belladonna, Sanguinaria, Bryonia has got similar kind of modalities. Amelioration by keeping the head high. Amelioration by cold application to the head. Amelioration by a long sleep. Amelioration by open air. Amelioration by pressing with both the hands. That gives amelioration of Glonine headache. Glonine concomitant. Glonine headache very often associated with trembling of fingers, trembling of hands. Headache associated with vomiting like migraine type of headache. Headache also associated with palpitations like aconite, gelsemium. Headache associated with photophobia like iris, like natrum, belladonna. Headache associated with stomach pain like Naxomica. Headache associated with difficulty in breathing like again gelsemium. Headache associated with stupefaction like Helleborus, like Baptisia, like Arnica, like gelsemium. Headache associated with choking type of sensations. Headache sometimes also associated with loss of consciousness. Headache also associated with sunken eyes. These are the various concomitant in relation to Glonine headache. Glonine is indicated for many of the clinical conditions like angina pectoris, apoplexy as a result of high blood pressure, indicated for brain congestions, indicated for convulsions, clinically indicated for goiter, indicated for various kind of headache, migraine headache, stress headache or tension headache or sun headache, indicated for meningitis, clinically indicated for neuralgias, indicated for paralysis as a result of brain congestion as a result of hypertension, indicated for toothache, indicated for trauma. These are the various commonly used clinical indication of Glonine.